Do you have a knack for real estate? You know, there used to be a band called The Knack. They were a one-hit wonder. They had a song called My Sharona, okay? Maybe you've heard of it. If you're old like me, you've heard of it for sure. But are you going to be a one-hit wonder in real estate? Because 90% of the realtors are one-hit wonders. They have one good year and then they fail out of the business completely. And they heard a little rumor that was called listings are the name of the game. But the entire real estate industry is all about buyers, focused on buyers. Sellers are going disturbingly unrewarded, and people don't prospect for listings. Why is that? If you know listings are the name of the game, why aren't you out there prospecting for listings day and night? Well, it's because they're fearful. What's the name of my company again? Oh, that's right, Fearless Agent. What do you know? They're fearful of what the seller might say or how they might come off. None of that's going to matter. When you're a Fearless Agent coaching student, you're going to have the exact right words to say in every single real estate money-making situation and the exact right words to say on the phone to get yourself into those situations. So all Fearless Agent coaching students, they have a killer listing presentation, pricing presentation, for sale by owner presentation, buyer presentation, investor presentation. They are never in any money-making face-to-face situation where they don't have the exact right words, and you will too. And you'll have the right words to say on the phone or face-to-face to get yourself into a booked appointment with people that can pay you money. If any of the stuff I talk about makes sense to you in these videos, here's what I want you to do. I want you to give me a call, have a complimentary coaching call with me. Call me at 480-385-8810. I want to turn you into a fearless agent. Thanks.